In this module, you will learn how to deal with email received tasks because it is quite different from regular email tasks. Let's look at where to find them first, so click on the My Day icon to begin. If you have received any email replies from your customers, they will show up like this. I don't have to tell you that these should take priority over your outbound call or other email tasks, so whenever you see one pop up, get to it right away. Opening the task will look very much like any other email task, but there is one unfortunate difference, and I say that lightly. Neither the app or the desktop version will include any previous email history if you use templates, because as soon as you select an email template, it erases all email history. So what do? The best practice, and my personal opinion, is to keep using the templates even if you sacrifice the email history, because a templated email looks 100% more professional than a simple looking email. It'll also help your customers identify your email if they're shopping multiple dealers. I wouldn't think twice about using a template every time, but I'll show you what you can do if you feel that it's unavoidable to keep the email history intact. You start this process by tapping the work notes to be able to read the email that was sent to you. Select the email received item and choose View. The email reply pops up and shows the email history that would have been created up to this point. Tap Done to return to the previous menu and select the email received line a second time to choose Reply. Now you're in the email editor, and in order to start typing, you need to tap the word Message to open this dialog box. Enter your message in this space, but most importantly, and before you tap Done, you need to type an email signature that follows this structure: your name, title, dealership name, and contact info. Sending an email without a signature will get you in hot waters with your sales manager, and the customer will have to guess which dealership sent the email. It's not very professional. The message will then show up like so, pretty plain and boring, compared to something that could look much better and take a lot less longer to complete. So the moral of the story here is to sacrifice the email history for a professional looking email, and remember to always add a proper email signature every time you don't use a template.